Let me guess. You want to build wealth, but building wealth isn't easy. Are you struggling with student debt or working for a paycheck that never seems to get you closer to reaching your financial goals? Home at 30 is here to teach you step by step how to build wealth from the ground up. You'll walk away with clear strategies that'll raise your confidence and your net worth starting today. Forget the old way of learning. The Money Master course is an animated series that won't bore you to death or take weeks to complete, designed to help you build wealth with stocks and real estate, develop multiple income streams, crush student loans, and much, much more. I don't care if you want to be rich, retire early, or simply learn more about money. This course is for you. Can you afford not to enroll? Invest in your future today.